All day, every day. We leave it. We love it. Rap music, you know what I mean? Time flies, we alive, overcome the turbulence, manifesting faith in the absence of the evidence, trying to figure out the world. Doubt was to my detriment, a sentiment that is worth believing if it's making sense. Frankincense, the magic was the reason I've been banking since the season of when prisons had corona as a pestilence. When I write a verse, chapters pile to be a testament. We've never seen God, but I am just a specimen, made in the imagery, born within the hospital, end up in a cemetery, but did the impossible. Within the time I was given, I was making lots of moves. Did align the vision that I made before you got the news.
Hey, this shit way.
You know what it is? That's how we do this. Let's go. I say let's do it though. Admirable fame would make me feel I was unfathomable, ungovernable. Yeah. Untouchable. When you read the history of my life, it's like a parable. Some of it insufferable, still living the trauma of living with the gullible. Walk it in the coma. The stone that the builder refused is a cornerstone. Getting both sides of the story like a cornerstone. Wasn't born to die while I'm living, I was born to grow. Let me feel your soul like your shoes, and it's toe to toe. Toe to slaughter in the music, going door to door, shooting down any rapper claiming that they know to flow. The Mcpotar, so we go to war. Blow for blow, fit into the weaponry. Toes have been covered in grenades, dare step on me. Only step your back if you the one turning your back on me. They try to blackball me, then I gave them a vasectomy. And sick to me, I'm the illest man to ever speak to me. On the street, verified, I could get you sacrificed. I'm an overcomer of the karma coming back to me. People like you looking to are giving some respect to me, while you play front for the fall like his receptionist. Impressionist, the wordplay, painting out the imagery, the energy, the synergy, plugging in the centerpiece. I flatten the earth, bubble in my mucus. It's the phenomenon, the venom in their eyes was the jealousy, the lies. I've always been surprised why they hating on my life. On your mark, set, go like it's cast as a mania. When I run the bread, that's a crust on your menu. Plus I blast as a man in your girl, in your tenure, and she thinks I'm a genius. Bass and the tenor, soprano, falsetto. On your mark, set, go. Run the streets, get dough. Money on my mind, the only thought I never let go. Modern day G-pedo, pulling strings like my chest, so it's for the ghetto. Yeah, that's how we do it.
Shout out to Cashbid, you a rare breed.
Yeah, it's your boy Cashbid right here. Them birthday bars. Mcpotar, you're crazy for this one. Listen. They say I need to go Drake on these niggas and give a scorpion sting, but I'd rather write my own disses unlike the OVO king. I'm sure as hell ain't singing to get the message across. Like how you niggas gonna overlook the fact I'm your boss? Let's get this straight, like my bars and not like my teeth. Niggas were happy when I quit cause they couldn't compete. LR had them night sweating and wetting their sheets. They had their producers trying to make them the miracle beats. Truth be told, you can never force the art, so I made myself the umpire for the sports to start. I kept it real on the party, ruffled a few feathers. Hip-hop was still in my blood, so I played my part. Took up our drama on a few of the episodes. Veterans felt disrespected cause our views were cold. We only seemed to have a few in our fold. Who would've thought that I'd be leaving there feeling like some fields were caught? Nonetheless, new chapters always welcome a nigga, so I turned pages on the faces that turn their backs on a nigga. You could've told me you were leaving, I would've wished you well. Regardless of you being a bitch, I'm happy for you, my nigga. These here ain't just bars, I'm hoping for better reception. Nonetheless, I drop them good like Ethernet data connection. Those with eyes will hear, those with ears will see. That wasn't a mistake, my failure shouldn't be your obsession. See, smiles are as thin as a layer of Vaseline on a faker's evil grin when they see you about to win, cause they scheme it's about them, cause you hold the key to their dream, but they up and leave when they see it ain't about them. Hip-hop is a culture we respect with our all. When comedians take the piss, that shit ain't funny at all. Frog looking ill-developedly, just speaking ill of a passion. I'm no Bruce, I'll kill this stupid league of assassins. I'm holding this Batman, swinging no hesitation. We been bleeding on our own without any validation. City to city, we done brought all kinds together. Tribalism is a myth, face trials for tribulations. Threats don't really faze me, that's the best in the game. I can tell him all this shit is beginning to sound all the same. Put some respect on my name, nigga. I've been hot. Headshots ain't scary these days, unlike screenshots. These bitches are getting dicey nicely. I wear a wifey talking about we cute, she lucky just to entice me. Why you gotta DM that shit? You think I'm stupid? Last thing I need is drama from some groupie. Shoreveko, kuti push to start. Matikuremo mimanzumu, look the part. Kana ujiji une marinya, so drive a Ferrari, but jealous down. Put my hooks, you smart. It's your boy, it's your boy, it's your boy. It's your boy Cashbid right here. Yeah. That's how we do it, y'all. Mcpotar, you crazy for this one. Birthday bars. We out.